Hey, Lance here, the Vintage Speaker Audiophile. Thanks for coming to my channel. Here's a quick description of what we're going to look at here. Welcome. What we try to do on this channel is look at things a little differently. I call it stereo from a different perspective. We're going to look at things that most audiophiles and people that do stereo on YouTube don't look at. We're going to spend a lot of time on imaging and soundstage. We'll talk about things like hearing and how the brain perceives music and how it constructs music as you hear sensory data coming in. And we'll talk about hardware a little bit, technology a little bit, although there's plenty of channels that do reviews. I don't want to spend too much time doing that. But we will talk about multi-channel versus two-channel. One of the things the stereo that is lost to history is stereo does recreate 3D soundstage if you have your speakers set up properly and you're sitting in the appropriate spot. So for music and for movies, you'll hear surround sound with simple stereo. You just got to know about it. You got to learn how to do it, and once you do it, it's hard to look back. I've never gone back to my multi-channel because of that. Anyway, that's just a preview of the channel. I hope you take some time to subscribe, and thank you if you have or if you're about to. This is Lance, Vintage Speaker Audiophile.